Hey, wealthy cousins. I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back to another episode. I'm Shia Renee, your favorite wealthy cousins advocate. All right, family, we got to talk. And not just about money in general, but about something too many of us overlook until it's too late: life insurance. Now, I know just the words life insurance can make people tune out or feel like it's something for later down the road. But this right here, this is the kind of conversation that protects families. And I'm not just talking facts, I'm speaking from real experience. Let me tell you what happened to someone I knew. We'll call her Tasha. Tasha was one of those people who held it all together, owned a small business, loved on her family, did her best every single day. She passed unexpectedly, and it shook everybody. But the hardest part wasn't just losing her, it was what came next. No life insurance. Her family had to scramble, not just emotionally, but financially. Within hours, the GoFundMe was up, and even with shares and support, it wasn't enough. They were left trying to figure everything out: funeral costs, bills, and how to care for her kids, all while grieving. And that right there, that's why we're having this conversation today. Because she wasn't irresponsible, she just didn't know her options. And that's the case for way too many people. They think they're too young, too healthy, or that it's something to worry about later. So let's go ahead and clear up some of the biggest things folks don't realize about life insurance. First of all, if the only life insurance you have is through your job, listen up. That policy is probably not enough. Most employer plans are super basic: one or maybe two times your salary. And once you leave that job, that coverage doesn't come with you. It's temporary, and it belongs to your employer, not you. I helped a cousin recently who thought she was covered for $250,000. But when we sat down and looked at her paperwork, it was $50,000, and it expires at age 65. She's 62. We can't afford to assume we're protected. You got to know exactly what you have. And here's the thing a lot of people miss: life insurance isn't just about death. It's a wealth strategy, it's a protection plan, and in a lot of cases, it can even support you while you're still living. Yep, that's called living benefits. Certain policies allow you to access part of the money if you're diagnosed with a major illness. That could be the difference between struggling and staying afloat if life takes an unexpected turn. Now, I know some of y'all might be thinking, but what if I've got health issues? Or what if my budget is tight? Listen, there are more flexible options out here than you've probably been told. There are policies that don't even require a medical exam. You just answer a few questions. And they've got options that start at affordable monthly rates, so you don't have to wait until you've made it to get covered. You don't need to be rich to protect your people. You just need to take the first step. So, to help you get started, I've got a free tool that gives you a custom quote. Simple, quick, no pressure, just real info so you can figure out what works best for you. The link is in the description. Check it out after this episode. And if you already have a policy, that's great, but don't stop there. Pull it out, read the fine print, know your coverage amount, know when it expires, and whether it has any benefits you could use before something happens. Having a policy is one thing. Understanding it is a whole other level of power. And if you're not sure what to look for or need help reviewing what you already have, I've got a vetted consumer protection resource that'll walk you through it. That's linked in the description too. This is bigger than just having insurance. It's about making sure your family doesn't have to guess, struggle, or start a GoFundMe just to lay you to rest or keep things going. This is about peace of mind. So here's what I want you to think about. If something happened to you tomorrow, would your loved ones be okay? Not just emotionally, but financially. If the answer is no, or even I'm not sure, that's your sign to take action today. Just one step. You don't have to have all the answers. You just have to decide that your family deserves to be protected. All right, cousin. Before we wrap up, I just want to say this. We talk a lot about building wealth, but real wealth includes protection. It includes making sure that when you're no longer here, your people can still live, grow, and breathe without stress. That's what legacy is about. So whether you're starting from scratch or need to update what you already have, handle that today. Your family deserves that security. And so do you. I'm proud of you for showing up and having this conversation with me. This is what it looks like to move different. Until next time, stay whole, stay covered, and as always, stay wealthy. Love you, cousin. Talk soon.